Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel a Lightmotion subscription. To cancel a Lightmotion subscription, first of all open up your Lightmotion application from your mobile device. After you open up the app, go to your human icon at the top right corner. If you have previously subscribed for Lightmotion, you can go ahead and tap on the Manage Subscription button appearing on the screen. Soon after you do that, it'll take you to your device's settings from where you can manage your subscription settings option. Under Active Subscription, find a Lightmotion and tap on it. Now on the next page, tap on Cancel Free Trial. Confirm your cancellation and that way you will be able to cancel a Lightmotion subscription in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.